Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to do an easy maintenance item on your car, one that a lot of people overlook. It's the cabin air filter. You know, a lot of cars made in the last 10-12 years have an air filter inside the blower motor to filter out all the air that goes through inside the car in your heater, your air conditioning, defroster. All the inside air passes through a filter. And a lot of people simply overlook this as part of regular maintenance, but you should do it at least once a year. So we're going to cover how to do it in this car, a Hyundai Tucson, the new 2022 model. And the instructions are similar to a lot of cars, but they may be different, so make sure you check your owner's manual. All right, so we're inside the car now, and your cabin air filter is behind the glove box. So you're going to open your glove compartment and you're going to empty it out, because we're going to have to drop this door down. The cabin air filter is back there. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go over here and you're going to see what they call a support rod, which is attached to this plastic pin, and you're going to squeeze the sides together and pull it just straight off like that. And be gentle, because they are plastic and you don't want to break them. The next thing is the hinges. I can get a shot in right here. There's a hinge pin inside there, inside the back there. You can kind of see it on both sides. So what you're going to do is you're going to squeeze the sides of the glove compartment in a little bit, and then pull it down so that the hinges, so that it goes past the stop. So let's set the camera down here. Okay. And we're going to do that and let it drop. So now we have the cabin air filter cover exposed. And you're going to see on the right hand side here that there are a couple of tabs. And you're going to squeeze those tabs together and pull it straight back, while at the same time pulling it to the right, because you've got a tab that goes under a little strap right there to hold it on the left. So we go to the right, squeeze them together and pull it, and then just wiggle it out, and that's your cabin air filter cover. Okay, and this is your cabin air filter. You'll notice that there's going to be an arrow pointing downward for the airflow. You need to make sure that when you install the new one, that the arrow is in the same direction, pointing in the same direction. So you'll just put your finger in this opening right here and pull the filter toward you and pull it straight out. And there we have one dirty cabin air filter. Here is a comparison of my new air filter and the original one. This air filter was only in the car for a little bit over a year. The car is just a little bit over a year old, and you can already see how dirty it is. I recommend replacing these at least once a year, because you can see, very easily see that it does catch a lot of dirt that goes through the air. So to install the new filter, it's very simple. You take the filter and you orient the arrow in the same direction, pointing downward, and you stick both sides of it in, push it all the way back in like that. And now you can take your cover, your cabin air filter cover, and stick the left side in first underneath that strap, right there. And then push the right side in and snap it. There. Cabin is, air filter is tightly snapped in place. And so now we're going to bring the glove compartment back up, and just like we did before, you see those hinges right there. You're going to squeeze the sides of the glove compartment in while you push it past that plastic right there. There. All right. And now that that's in, you're going to take your support rod and you're going to snap it back over the tab like that. And done. It's that simple. It doesn't take a lot of time. Anybody can do it, and you can save a lot of money doing it yourself. You can pick up these filters at auto parts stores, any auto parts store, or you can get them online if you like original equipment through any of the manufacturers' online marketplaces. Like I got this Hyundai Tucson filter online. They can cost up to around $30 or so, but that's it, and it's easy to do yourself. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe so you'll be notified the next time I do another video. Until next time, take care.